Hi, welcome back to Nancy Artwork. Today we are going to create a small composition of Milky Way Galaxy, and this is going to be a very small short composition of 5 steps, and I will take you through these 5 steps. Okay, so let's start with the first step. I'm using my alcohol inks, and if you don't know how to use them, you can check out my old tutorials in the description. I'm using my brush and 2 ingredients, which is a blue color and a black color ink, and alcohol ink beyond ink paper. With this, I'm just going to first start using my darker shades on the top. What I'm trying to do over here is that I'm going to use this particular space, these edges with a darker shade, and I'm going to induce a lighter shade in the center. So this will give me an illusion of a darker background, edges and center will be brighter. In my step 2, I have added a drop of a blue color in the center, and now I'm swirling out like this. Okay, what will this do? Actually, this will give a brighter composition in the center, and as I swirl out, it will give that swirl of a Milky Way in this direction towards the edges. Now once you see that my background is all the center is darker and the edges are light, now I'm trying to add my alcohol ink brush. So these lines, if you will see, these lines you see here are all produced by alcohol ink. So what I'm basically trying to do is I'm trying to give a composition of first semicircle here, then here, here, and go on. In the fourth space, you will find that I am quite satisfied with the composition I have received, where my center is quite bright as white and the outer compositions are in shade of brighter blue and a darker blue. Therefore, now I have added a spray. So all these small dots which you see over here and here are actually produced by a spray bottle. I have taken a spray bottle and I have added some alcohol into it, and then I've kept my hand quite far away from this sheet and given 1 or 2 sprays over this sheet. So once this composition was a little dried or a semi-dried situation, I did 1 or 2 sprays of alcohol on the same sheet, so which produce these spray kind of effects which give a illusion of many small stars in the galaxy. In my 5th step, I feel quite satisfied with the whole composition. Now I want to actually give this center a composition where I feel like important stars or big stars are visible. So I'm taking on my jelly roll pen here. I'm taking my jelly roll pen over here and adding lot of dots in the composition, which will give it an effect of a Milky Way. So all these brighter stars are added by my jelly roll pen. So when you feel okay that you have added quite a good amount of stars, brighter stars, take a hold. Just try that you are not spreading the stars anywhere. Put them in some semicircle shapes, like maybe around this portion, then around this way. So put it in a way of semicircle, adjust them in a shape of a semicircle. So this is the whole composition. 5 steps, not very difficult one. If you will follow along my simple 5 steps and see the video now on, it will be a super quick, easy way to produce a marvelous galaxy artwork. Let's begin. So that was it for today's artwork. Hope you would have liked this simple tutorial. If you follow along by and get inspired from the same tutorial, do tag me at the rate Nancy Artwork on Instagram. And if you have any questions, leave down a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.